You just got your license. Now what? Don't make the mistake most new drivers make. Buying your first car is exciting, but pick the wrong one and you'll regret it fast. Here are the best cars for beginners, and why they actually make sense. First up, the Honda Civic. Reliable, affordable, and parts are everywhere. You're not scared to park it, and it won't drain your wallet when something goes wrong. Classic choice for a reason. Next, the Toyota Corolla. It's basically a cockroach. It never dies. Great fuel economy, smooth ride, and Toyota's reputation for reliability is unmatched. Simple, solid, done. Want something with a little more fun? Try the Mazda 3. It handles beautifully, looks sharp, and doesn't cost a fortune. It's the car that doesn't feel like a compromise. Budget super tight. The Hyundai Elantra has come a long way. Great warranty, modern tech, and surprisingly stylish. Beginners love it. Every one of these cars is easy to drive, easy to own, and won't punish you for being new behind the wheel. So pick the one that fits while you are alive, and go enjoy the road. Drop your pick in the comments, and subscribe for more no BS car advice.